What's up guys, it's the Brick Public back here again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your LEGO Coruscant Guard. Yep, we're doing it today. I am going to be upgrading a Sith Trooper. It's not really a Coruscant Guard figure, but I'm going to make it one. And then a decaled Shock Trooper. This was made using thicky bricky decals. I'll put a link in the description on where you can get them and a video on how to decal. So yeah, these are the figures we're going to use. I'm going to do the Shock Trooper first, so let's do it. So these are the pieces you're going to need for the Shock Trooper. These are Jonak Toys cloth and a Clone Army custom visor. I will put links in the description, of course. So you're going to want to take off the helmet and the head and the legs and the torso. So add your comma or waist cape, whichever way you say it. Just add that on right like that. Add this Jonak Toys, I think it's a specialist. Like pauldron. Add the torso back on, then flip this part up and over like that. Add the head and then add the helmet, and then just add the white visor. And yeah, this is like my Phase 2 Thyre, like Commander Thyre, Order 66. It looks cool, and I think it looks really nice. So yeah, let's get on with the next figure. So these are the pieces you're going to need for the next figure. So take off the head because we don't need it anymore, and separate the legs from the hip. Like that. Take off the hip. Like that. Add a white hip right here, and then add the legs back on. Take off the hip and add this Jonak Toys waist cape. Put this part back on. And the helmet. This is a painted Commander Fox helmet. This is just the Commander Fox helmet I have on me, but you could easily use a Clone Army Customs one. And if you want to buy a Clone Army Custom one, then there will be a link to Clone Army Customs website in the description below. And yeah, there you go. There's Commander Fox. It is probably the best Commander Fox you can do with the official LEGO bodies. Custom helmet, yeah. So yeah, there's Commander Fox. So there are the two figures right there. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe because it helps out a lot. Thank you all for 400 subscribers. It's crazy how we were like at 200 like 4 days ago. But it's crazy. Comment down below what you want me to do next. It might be like a little bit until I get a new clone video up, because we have like a lot of suggestions for things that aren't clones. I have Jedis and Mandos and Tusken Raiders and those on the list. So yeah, yeah. Have a nice day, guys.